What's up guys, I'm Brooke and welcome back to the BG Bakers. Today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to make a chocolate cream pie. This is super delicious and super easy to make. But before we get started with this video, I want to give a shout out to Robin Z for winning this video's comment competition. If y'all want a chance to win, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below with your best comment. Good luck! First, in a food processor, you're going to blend 9 graham crackers and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, while mixing, you're going to pour 6 tablespoons of melted butter in through the lid. Now you're going to press your mixture into a 9-inch pie plate. Now you're going to bake it at 325 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. Once your pie crust comes out of the oven, you're going to bring 2 cups of half and half, a pinch of salt, and about 3 tablespoons out of 1/3 a cup of sugar to a simmer. Then you're going to mix the rest of your sugar with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now you're going to whisk 6 egg yolks for about 45 seconds. Now sprinkle your cornstarch and sugar over your eggs and mix it for about 1 minute until it thickens slightly. Once the half and half mixture reaches a simmer, you're going to pour a tiny bit into the eggs and then mix it immediately after. Then you're going to do that a couple times until you've poured about half of the half and half into your eggs. Then you're going to pour your eggs into the rest of your half and half and whisk it until it thickens up. It should start to thicken up after about 30 seconds of whisking, and then you're going to turn off your heat once a few bubbles burst at the top. Alright, now you're going to whisk in 6 tablespoons of chopped up butter until it's melted. Now you're going to whisk in 6 ounces of semisweet or bittersweet chocolate chips. I prefer to use semisweet chocolate chips, and 1 ounce of unsweetened chocolate, and then you're going to mix it until it's incorporated. Now you're going to pour your filling into your crust and smooth it out with a rubber spatula. Now you're going to cover it with plastic wrap. You're going to want to put the plastic wrap directly on top of the pie to prevent a crust from forming. Then you're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours before enjoying. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure before you leave, subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below so that you get a chance to win in our comment competition. Also remember that we post our videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11:30 Central Time. See See you next time on BG Bakers.